So now let's see how we can work around with wind filter inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with wind filter, I'm going to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then I'm going to go around onto distorts, and then I'm going to go around over here onto wind filter right here. So once I go around over here, you can see that all the bright pixels right here has wind filter affected to it. So over here, you can see that you can go for a blast type of a filter right here, or you can go for a wind type of a filter. And you can go for left wind or right wind, or you can go for top wind and bottom wind around over here, just like this. So let's just go around onto left wind, and let's just increase around the threshold. So if I were to increase this, so you can see that this is what you have. It goes around and reduces the wind speed right here. You can also go around and decrease out the threshold right here, and then that is what you have. If I were to go around and work around with stress, then you can see that I can change around the strength right here, just like this. So now right here, you can see that you can change around the strength of the wind as well. And you can go around and change around the random seed around over here as well. So you can go around and change around the seed around over here, just like this, and then choose whatever seed you have. So you can go around and add in a new seed right here, and then it randomizes out the contents accordingly right here. You can also go around onto blend mode and then dissolve this out right here, or you can go around and screen it out to let's say merge it out with the layer beneath it, and so forth, just like this. And you can go around and see the work around with preview to see the before and after as well. So apart from that, you got the split view right here, which allows you to go around and split out the contents on the left and right, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the wind filter inside of GIMP. Press OK, and that will be applied. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.